Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to upload Instagram Reels from your laptop or personal computer. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device and on the searching bar, search for Instagram and make sure that you have logged in to your Instagram application. On the left, you will see an option of create, but there is no option of creating a reels. To do so, simply click on the Instagram page and there you will see an option of inspect. Hit on that and click on that symbol. From there, refresh the Instagram page and you will see plus button. From here, select the post and you can easily post reels from here. So in this very easy step, you can easily upload Instagram Reels from laptop or your personal computer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.